Hello and welcome, David here. Welcome to the very first video in this course. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Capcut PC because obviously that is what we are going to be starting with. So there are two ways you can download Capcut for PC, and this way is one, you can do the online installation and you can do the offline. So what I'll do is you can go to Google, for instance, and you can put Capcut PC, and then you find the very first link. If you click on it, it's capcut.com/tools/desktop video editor. So I'm going to be putting it on this video for you to see. You can go over and just pause it, and then you can hit the download button. You can download it for free. Yes, it's just some features that are paid, and I'll be showing you how to do that. So you can see it's quite easy. It's not complicated at all. This is how it works. I've already downloaded it. As you can see, this is it here. So I don't need to download it again, but that's how it works. Once you hit the download button, it's going to download now. And then ensure you have internet connection, obviously, so that you can get the fastest speed and faster download. Once you've downloaded it, you are good to go. That is the first way. The second way you can download this is to do the offline download, which does not require internet after you've downloaded. So you can use this site. Is code cpack.co/download/capcut.html. So with this one, it's still the same Capcut, but the offline version, which once you've downloaded, you don't need to have internet to install it. This is about 500 and something MB, if I'm right. We'll just check that down below to confirm. Yes, as you can see it, Capcut offline setup, 64-bit. Remember, you want to have 64-bit or 82. You do 1332 is going to give you a little problem because once you install Capcut, it's going to tell you testing interface, and the rest is just about 553 MB. Once you hit download, it's going to download. I already have it downloaded, so I don't want to do that again. If I click on download, it's going to give me that same process of the first one, but like I see, I already have the installer there, so I don't need it again because I already have Capcut installed already. As you can see, this is Capcut already installed on my system, so I don't need it. So that is how to get Capcut downloaded. I'm sure you're going to be downloading Capcut now, Capcut for PC. Once you have that downloaded, we can move on to the next lecture, which is going to be how to import media, videos, pictures, whatever you need to edit. So I'm going to be showing you how to import it into Capcut PC. So see you in the next lecture. Stay blessed.